I'm eating toxic waste. Come in. So this is, say your name.
Jaydens.
He has an account called Lammy Pammy.
Wow.
Yes, and we will tag his YouTube channel down below. I'll make sure you go and subscribe. Right, all you 20-something subscribers, or 10-something subscribers, should know I love toxic waste. Now, if you don't, that means you're not really been subscribed for long, or you don't know me in real life.
So
I had one of these at 2 of these at school. No face. First one made a face, then came home. I had the second one at school. Then I came home and I wanted these. Didn't know they came with cranberry. I think I had cranberry at school because it was. But like, I have the raspberry one now. I love these. Countdown from 3.
3.
And this is actually this, by the way. Isn't it? This is that. This is from here. Yeah. Right, go. Countdown from 3.
3, 2, 1.
You can come in.
Wow, no reaction.
Sorry, there's something on your screen. It looks weird. So, apparently, toxic waste is the most sourest candy in the world. Is it? No reaction. We'll never know. But if they do come out with a sour candy, and it's the sourest in the world, guess what? Give it to me. I'll try it. Try and make me get make a reaction. I'm not trying cranberry. What I'm going to do, I'm going to buy more Takis. I'm going to eat as much as I can without making me a reaction. But it might take a while because no one likes to buy them for me. And I'm not using my money to pay for them because like they're so expensive. So I'm going to get someone else to buy them for me. But not this dude. Come in. Not this dude. But literally,
I think his eyes.
no reaction. Can you believe it? Here, you try one.
No.
Try one.
No.
Last raspberry.
No.
Take it.
I know. Okay. Eat.
No, you eat it.
I can't eat it. I'm a robot.
No, you're not a robot.
So now.
Take it.
No.
Take it.
Eat.
You eat.
No.
See? He won't eat them. I'm the only one in this family who can deal with sour.
Wow, his face is so cute.
Right. What I'm going to try next is the red pear. But I will be doing that on his channel to get him views. Peace.